all these motherfucking niggas who throwing them rocks and hiding their hands and shit. Always talking behind a nigga back. When you say that, you ain't got shit to say. No matter of fact, they gon' dap me up, man. Let me go and get on about my business.
No more talking, I'ma kill me a nigga. Looking like all, I'ma drill me a nigga. Can't dash me, have fun with the trigger. Now you can't run, cause my gun a little bigger. What you gonna do when the gunshot blow? When you run that hole, when the folk won't go. This dog, I don't wanna live no more. That's your girl, I'ma kill that hoe. Say it to my face when I'm up in the place. So your boys got bass, I'ma catch me a case. When I get mad, ain't no one safe. Got two in my hand and one on my waist. Over your mouth about me, nigga. Don't worry, bitch, like I got these niggas. Now everybody know I shot these niggas. We still here, but not these niggas. Camp dog nigga won't play that shit. Where you stay, we'll spray that shit. We'll find out in one day, you bitch. Run out of bullets, okay, that's it. When the city get dark and the dog don't bone, when your car won't start, when you coming out hard, I'ma put you a little closer to God, cause your tongue too slick and your mouth too small.
These niggas talking they hoes with no panties up they skirts. Get a nigga popping off like it's January 1st. If you got something to say, niggas always gotta hate. 44 off in the way, C-Lo got choppers in his face. This just making weight. He got more bitch in him than in making plates. Niggas think they hard, but sweeter than creamers in the shake. Shit, I ain't gon' get no cake. I'ma creep and sleep on you. Perfect moment, catch you wait. Good morning, this heat on you. Haters hate that making shit. Hit the trap and scrape your beat. Y'all really some selfish fuckers. These bullets you taking this. All I hear is saying now, it is unlikely. These bitches wanna fuck, but these niggas don't like me.
Think to a dog that run in your mouth, try to apply at Bill side. Skill man and make niggas straight to the ball. Did somebody business every time you talk. Here's your name, Motor Ma, 100 ad whipping, my still running. Shot 2 times, they ain't do nothing. Then got robbed, need to start hustling. Like what I'm saying, nigga do something. Talk about you, talk about me. We all from the hood, nigga, bold to be. Mention my name, you promoting me. Rock on pimp, I ain't get mad. No, he bad. Nigga go miss, go whipping your ass like the time before. In the time for that. No gang shit, some niggas in the crowd trying to get out the bucket and nigga go round. Keep on talking, I'ma cut me slap. Why you hate? I'ma do the math. Keep the block if you wanna drive me. Fly to work if you wanna buy me. Serve the dick if you wanna ride me. Other than that, you know where to find me.
I heard some niggas talking bad, come see about me. Yeah, I got some heat, don't leave the house without it. How many times I had beef, man, I can't count it. Yeah, they wanna see us gone, but we run the county. I called Boo, he brought the strap, and we popped it off. I was raised in these streets, ain't nothing soft. I know these haters wish death on me. Why? They see us grinding and they see us in these streets. They know it's hurricane pain to the death of it. This my family, so you know I gotta represent. We finna take that game, we'll get it back another day. But right now, Big Snipe will catch a case.
Catch a case.